All right, students, we're back with math. And what are we going to do right now? We are multiplying decimals. And you might be thinking, I remember how to do this, but it's great to review. All right, let's say we've got decimals. 2.1 times 3.2. So, remember, you line them up to the right, all right? Then you just simply multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. On the second number, so we have a 0. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And then we add them. 2, 7, 6. Now, this is where sometimes we forget to do something, and that is counting the decimal places. So we look at our first number, and we go to the far right. We say, okay, how many decimal places are there? Okay, so go 1. Okay, so there's 1, and then we look at our bottom number. We'll put a 1 out here just to remember. And we do the same thing. We start at the very outside and we count how many decimal places over. 1. What's 1 and 1? That's 2. So we come down here. We start at the very right. We do a total of 2. 1, 2. So our final answer is 6.72. Now, let's do something a little bit more interesting. How about 2 times 3.4. What about that? Same thing, you're going to line them up to the right. The one with the most numbers when you're multiplying, you want to put on top, just because it's less work. This is no. If you're adding and subtracting, yes, but for multiplying, no. You line it up all the way over to the right, okay? 8, 6, there's 1 decimal point we moved over. So we move it over 1, and you get 6.8. Now, how about something like this? All right, he's got the most numbers, so we're going to put him on top. He has the fewer numbers, so we're going to put him on top. Remember, line it up to your right. So your 3 is going to go under the 7, and 2 comes next, right? And then you simply multiply. 21, carry the 2, 18, 20, carry the 2, 12, 13, 14. Put a 0 because we're on to our next number. 14, carry the 1, 12, 13, carry the 1, 8, and 9. So then again we add 1, 4, 7, and 10. Now, counting our decimal points again. So we start off to the right. How many places does it take to get to that one? 1, 2. How about here? 1. What's 2 and 1? That's 3, everybody. So we come down here, we move it over 1, 2, and 3. And that's it. That is multiplying decimals. I'm pretty sure y'all probably remember this, but we just want to review, make sure. Have any questions? Let me know.